Hey there, Dr. Coco Cabral here, the Flamenco Dancing MD. This is cardio using the arte of flamenco and the science of how our bodies are built to get your heart rate going, to use up carbs, and to metabolize fat. In this 6-minute cardio video, there will be no complicated choreography, no crazy jumping, and no wild, uncontrolled moves. While I am demonstrating, I will be talking to you about how the body uses fat to reveal the toning work that hopefully you're doing in other videos in this channel that I will be linking for you as we go along. If that is what you are here for today, let's go. All right, let's start with feet together, soft in the knees, belly button in, hands on the bony crest of the pelvis, great posture, and lots of air underneath the armpits and elbows. I'll start demonstrating from behind with the right foot, wiping off the bottom of the shoe, let the ball of the foot land, and then press the heel, and wipe, ball, 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 heel. Here we go. And ball, heel, ball, heel, ball, heel, ball, heel. We're still wiping off the bottom of each shoe. Each time we lift it behind us, and we're really pressing on that ball, heel, ball, heel, ball, heel, ball, heel, ball, heel, ball, heel. All right. Belly button's in, collarbones lifted, elbows away from the torso. All right. We're going to go for about, I think we've got about 5 minutes left in this song. And while we're going to go at this tempo first. I'm going to talk to you about how the body uses up that layer of fat that is sort of covering all the toning work that we're doing on our muscles in other types of exercises, other videos in my channel. All right, before we talk, let's bring the arms to chest height as if we're holding a beach ball, and turn the palms away, stretch out pinkies and thumbs, and let's make wrist circles. So just keep circling around in the wrists. We're also putting effort in simply by holding our arms up in this position. So we've got our arm muscles working, leg muscles working, posture muscles working, and by using as many muscles as possible, we get lots of carb usage by those muscles. Once the muscles have used up their carb stores and the liver's carb stores, the muscles start using fat and converting that fat into usable carbs in the form of glucose. Now, when the body is using fat for fuel, it is not only drawing from the fat in the legs or only drawing from the fat in the arms. It's drawing from the fat kind of everywhere. So, the key, the trick, is to do your cardio workouts like this one consistently. So come back and do this cardio video again. Also look for my other ones and do those. Do them as many times as you can each week. Every day if you can. Every other day is still okay. And what you want to do is do them consistently enough that your muscles will metabolize enough fat to get rid of that layer that's hiding all of the toning work that are in my other videos in this channel, listed according to body parts, like bat wings, like thunder thighs, like tummy. So take a look at those two. Do your toning work so that by the time you've done enough cardio to burn off a significant part of that layer of fat in general, the muscles are revealed, the toning is revealed, the carving is revealed. All right, let's go a little bit faster. So now we're still doing ball heel. Ball heel, ball heel, ball heel, ball heel, ball heel, ball heel. Ooh, how's that? All right. So going a little bit faster in these legs. Pushing the muscles. A little bit more. Keeping the heart rate going. Working the muscles so that these muscles have by now used up their carb stores, hopefully. Used up our liver's carb stores, hopefully. And hopefully we are tapping as we approach the 6-minute mark of this song. We'll start tapping into those fat stores. If you would like, today, like right now, to extend the time of your cardio workout here, you can double it, right? All you're going to have to do is hit replay, and then you can double it from 6 minutes to 12, and you can review this little mini science lesson. There's the end of our music. Diddle, 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 diddle. So we will, with control, go ahead and release the arms, release the feet. Again, go ahead and hit replay. Go ahead and hit any one of my other cardio or toning videos in this channel. All right, good job.